Have you ever wondered why some Etsy products generate thousands of sales while others barely get noticed? Today, I'm going to show you how to use EHunt's brand new review analysis feature to break down one of Etsy's best-selling digital planners. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to uncover who is buying this product, what customers love, what problems they mended, and most importantly, what makes them buy. Let's jump in. Today's example is this best-selling portrait digital planner. This product has already received over 1,400 sales, which makes it a perfect case study for consumer analysis. Let's open the EHunt extension and check the review insights. The first thing EHunt gives us is a customer profile analysis, and this is already super interesting. According to the review data, 95% of buyers are female and only 5% are male. This immediately tells us the product is strongly targeting a female audience. For Etsy sellers, this is extremely useful for refining your target audience and ad messaging. Now let's look at what customers love most. EHunt automatically summarizes the top strengths. The biggest advantages: abundant features and options to 47%. This means customers clearly value flexibility and customization. Other strong positives include beautiful visual design, clean layout, easy navigation, strong usability, excellent tutorials, and support from the seller. This is a huge insight. This explains why the product performs so well. Now here's where EHunt becomes really powerful. It doesn't just show what works, it also reveals what customers struggle with. The number one complaint is complexity and learning curve to 50%. That's huge. Customers love the rich features, but many also feel the product is overwhelming. This is a classic product optimization opportunity. Now let's check what buyers actually expect before purchasing. The top expectation is feature-rich customization -43%, followed by organization and time management to 23%. This tells us customers are actively searching for tools that help them stay organized and manage their lives better. Interestingly, design aesthetics also accounted for 17%, so this audience values both function and appearance. This is a perfect example of how review analysis helps uncover true market demand. EHunt shows us the purchasing motivations. This is probably my favorite part. And the number one driver is value for money and quality to 49%. Nearly half of all buyers purchased because they believe the product delivers strong value. Other major motivations include aesthetic appeal, rich features, easy-to-use promise, strong seller support. This is incredibly useful for optimizing product descriptions and ad creatives. These insights tell you exactly what messaging converts. And you can even compare to products and export all review data for deeper competitor research. If you sell on Etsy, this is one of the fastest ways to understand what customers truly want. Great products don't win by chance. They win by understanding what customers truly want. And that's exactly what EHunt helps you uncover. This is all for today. See you next time.